What's up, world? You're watching Crappies with Attitudes with your host, King Slabber. Got one. Got one. Oh, it's a good one. King Slabber. King Slabber. Oh, yeah. Come here. Oh, yeah. Come here, bad boy. Bad boy. Nice fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, let's get it. Got one. Oh. Slam. Slam. Barely hooked him. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. King Slabber. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. J Money. Done slab one. There we go.
Man, you just dropped that shit down in there. Wow.
Right. Hey, right here.
There you go. They all right here. We done found the honey hole.
Right on top of them.
Keeping this one, throwing this one back.
Doubles. Double trouble. Goodness. Woo! Ooh. Yeah, go ahead and fall on in there. Get on in there.
Yeah.
Fell straight in the live well.
And the hook still in his mouth.
Goodness.
She a bad one.
Once that hook in there, it's in there. It's a nice fish.
Find out you pulling them out.
It's King Slabber. I'm always out here slapping.
I was going on lunch break. I don't count that.
Oh, yes. Slab. Oh, yeah. Woo! Nice fish. Mm-hmm. Heck yeah. He's small. He hit it pretty good though. That's nice. It's piling up in there, guys. It's piling up in there. They is killing it. Bumped it against that brush. Yeah. Hey, that's a slab right there, boy. I got some nice ones. I need to catch one like that. I'm just playing around with these Bobby Garlands. Yeah, they work. You got them? There you go. I had a hit right there too. Well, there you go. I got 2 separate videos in this one video, so bear with me. We had a bunch of rain. Really couldn't do no fishing. Water was too high, dirty. We really got pounded with rain. I mean, it was to the point where it was too high, too high to fish. But I went like 2 days after the rain, and I caught one, and that was it. So I packed up and left. In the next clip after that one, I went and I really got on to a good one, and then my camera died. So everything I caught after that, I ain't even get no footage of. But really good day. I went out today with 2 buddies of mine, Mike and Justin. Mike actually does a lot of bass fishing and invited me to go out with him on his bass boat. And he ain't did any crappie fishing in a while, so he got his rod polished up for that. But again, we went out there shooting some docks, and we really laid on to them. They was hitting pretty good, then they cut off. But I learned something new today. Everything that work in your area ain't gonna work in other areas, and you know you adapt and you change and you get it right. You know, I mean, everywhere fishing is not the same, so that's typical. You know, but I hope y'all liked the video. Again, we just went out there shooting some dock. I got 2 other videos in there about a couple minutes long. Just me. But on the other side, until we catch those mean crappie. Huh?